In this video, I will show you how to give a discount in QuickBooks. So to do this, what you want to go and do is click New in the top left and just go and create an invoice or estimate. Now I'll do an invoice. Now here just select everything, so the customer, their email, the billing address, the dates, just fill all of this in. And then once you have entered the amount, for example, if this is a 100 euro product, I can enter that and you will see right now the balance due is 100 euros. Now say I want to give a 15% discount. Then instead of just typing 85, what you need to do is click on the gear icon in the top right and then here do the total discount. So make sure that that field right here is checked. Now once it is, right here you will see the discount. Now you can either give a percentage or a value. Now I'm going to do a percentage and select 15%. So then you will see it's now minus 15 euros and they will see the subtotal is 100, but they got a discount of 15%. So then you can click save or print or preview, whatever you want to do. So just enter everything here and then you can save and send it and just do whatever you want with it and the discount will be on it. So now you know how to give a discount in QuickBooks. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.